Guangzhou Chinov Technology Company, Limited was established from 2009, located in Jiaji, Baiyun of Guangzhou. Chinov Display is a professional commercial display producing company integrated with business development, R&D and manufacturing. There are more than 100 employees of us, including R&D department, technicians and production staff, more than 20 unit production and processing equipment, including laser cutters, CNC, three-dimensional engraving machines, diamond polishing machines, Japan imported Muto photo machines, graphic and jet machines are working every day to bring you the best visual merchandising displays. All of our displays are made from handcrafted acrylic, which is known as the most upscale plastic material for making displays. Handcrafted acrylic displays require more time and cost in manufacturing, but the astounding quality makes it the first choice for store displays. Handcrafted acrylic displays are bonded by hand using solvent agents that actually melt the material together, which makes the acrylic display a crystal clear and strong construction. There are virtually no defects as a result of manufacturing. Even common problems like relief marks or haze from molds not exist in this way of manufacturing. Chinov Display is your best choice to make your visual merchandising display. Why? We have over 15 years manufacturing experience. We use eco-friendly material. We have over 10 years exporting experience. We are high efficient and always on time, and we offer considerate service and after-sales guarantee. Chinov Display is able to supply all kinds of visual merchandising displays to various stores, such as jewelry store, watches store, cosmetic store, fashion store, optical store, nail art salon and casino. Please don't hesitate to contact us to bring your best visual merchandising to life. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.